guys, it's Amelia with Mama Bear Reviews, and I am back with another video. It has been a hot minute, but I am back with a skincare review video by Qure. They sent me this bundle to review, and it's basically a micro needling at-home treatment. So if that's something you want to see, let's get into it. First off, thank you to Qure Beauty for sending this to me. I actually have their red light mask. I am obsessed with their red light mask. This is not what the video is about, but I just wanted to shout it out because I'm obsessed. I love me some red light therapy, and these masks are super handy. It actually has a red light and a anti-acne one, so this purpley light, so I love that. Same brand, but this is a micro needling kit. So they sent this to me. It comes with this cute little headband thing, this the actual injectable thing, and then it comes with 6 treatments and then extra heads because you need a new head for each treatment. But they have a rejuvenating one and a ultra soothing one. So I've tried the ultra soothing one. Rejuvenating is pretty much does what it says. It's going to brighten, it's going to rejuvenate the skin, it's going to make it glowy and all that. But the hydra soothing, if you have any redness or any sort of skin issues, acne, whatever, definitely highly recommend checking that out. I tried this yesterday. Super easy to use. That's my first pro. You use this box, the little needle thing. Put that down. The little needle thing is in this box. It comes with a head, but I already used it. So the next time I use it, I will put one of these heads on, and then you just take the treatment that you want to use and dump it in the bottle, have it sit upside down for a little bit so it can get into these little micro needle head things, and then do your treatment. Just kind of dot it on the skin. I will insert a clip of me doing it the other night, and it's that simple. I will say, first user error, you don't have to push hard into your skin. I definitely pushed a little too hard into the skin. You definitely have to press a little bit, but I was pushing into it and it was way too hard. But once I got the right amount of pressure and you just kind of do little circles along it, kind of overlapping the first circle. Anyways, you can do your entire face. I still had serum left over even after I did the treatment. So, and you can definitely mix the serums, but I decided just to do the one serum to see how it reacted with my skin. And it did, I mean, I have blush on, but it did make a difference. I'll show a before and after of the night and then the next morning, and you can kind of see the difference. I woke up and I definitely felt like my skin was hydrated. It didn't feel dry. It didn't leave any scars or anything. It's definitely something cool if you are into the facials. So if you are someone that is loving facials and you're just ooh, that cost though is not fun, just get yourself a kit at home. This would make a great Christmas gift. It comes in this super pretty box with all the head stuff. So it's all in one package. It's a nice little box. They have QR codes that you can scan and watch the how-tos on how to do it. I overall was really happy with the simplicity. The results I got after even just one night were pretty decent. It definitely felt glowy and hydrated. And like I said, super easy to use, definitely more affordable than going to get a treatment at the spa every time. So I highly recommend checking them out. Qure Skincare, they have so many amazing things. They have skincare tools. They have these kits. So I will link them down below. I will say the only thing, like I said, the only con, I guess, it's not really even a con, it was my user error, is definitely don't press too hard into the skin. Definitely helped give a glowy, I can see my forehead right now, it's very glowy and fresh. And this is after a full day of makeup. I'm filming this at 6:30 at night. I did my makeup this morning, so definitely helped kind of rejuvenate my skin and soothe my skin, which was what I wanted it to do. So go check it out. I will link everything down below. They are having a Black Friday sale, so don't miss out. Like I said, perfect gift for the spa fanatic in your life, Or if you're like, hey, I want to cut down on the cost of facials and treatments, you can do it right at home with this kit and save yourself some money. So leave a comment down below if you're a skincare fanatic like I am. I love trying new skincare and new gadgets and tools, and this was really fun to kind of play with. And like I said, the treatments are customizable and you can add a little bit of this and that. So I generally loved playing with it, and I can't wait to do more treatments and see the long-term effects. But if you are a skincare fanatic, comment down below what your favorite skincare brand is, or if you like red light therapy too, like I am, because I'm about to go wash my face and do another treatment and do my red light mask. Make sure and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.